Hey everyone, it's Ella here, and this is your no equipment workout with a focus on your upper body. So, full disclosure, before we begin, I am recovering from an injury on the right side of my body. I am cleared to work out, but I may make some modifications, but I'm gonna talk you through every level of this series. Okay, we're gonna start on all fours. So I want you to come down onto your mat, knees come underneath the hips, palms come underneath the shoulders. It's really important. Actually, why don't we just move through the back real quick? This might be helpful to move through a nice deep arched spine. I'm gonna tuck the chin to the chest and round out right here. And then give me that one more time. So just really feeling the end of each range of motion here. Then go ahead and come halfway. So I want you to find your neutral. Your back should feel flat. Your core should be engaged, you're firming your navel in towards your spine. Your tailbone should feel long and lifted. Now this is gonna be tricky to see on camera, but this is such an important exercise to strengthen the back body, specifically the upper back muscles, especially those postural ones. So from here, I want you to think about squeezing your shoulder blades together as you drop your chest down towards the mat. And then I want you to create as much space as you can between the shoulder blades as you push back out of the floor. One more time, nice and slow. Ooh, I feel that already. It might take you a second to create that mind-body connection between the shoulder blades and keeping the core strong. And when you're ready, you're just gonna cycle through the squeeze and the push. Squeeze, good, and push. Squeeze, and push. That's it. Squeeze and push. Nice work. We're going to keep it nice and simple to begin. So you want to make sure the back of the neck is nice and long, that connection is deep. It's squeeze, good, and push. Two more just like that. Squeeze and push. Last one. Awesome job. Push back into your child's pose. Easy peasy, right? Well, we're layering on, okay? We're layering on here. So from here, we're working those arms coming back onto all fours, tucking the toes underneath you. We're gonna hover the knees right off of the mat. So again, you're in that strong 4-point position. Back is nice and flat and the back of the neck is long. So don't kind of lead with the chin or tuck under here, but a nice strong neutral. If you want it, you're gonna tap opposite shoulder. If you don't, you hold right here. You just have 8 counts. Let's go for 8, 7. Try to keep those hips nice and still. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Knees down, push back. Good stuff. Layering on, come back to center. This time you're gonna push back into a full plank position. If you feel like this plank position is too much for you today, I want you to go ahead and take your knees to the floor. It's important to keep the space between the shoulder blades, the length in the torso, the reach in the tailbone. Front leg's gonna lift up for 2 and down. Good. Up for 2 and down. Same leg the whole time. Lift for 2 and down. One more here. Lift for 2 and hold. Hold it. We take that back leg down and up. Good, down and up. Ears are in line with your biceps, pushing into the floor, pushing back heel down into the ground. Here it is, 16 pulses at the top for 16, 15, 14, breathe. Keep pushing, keep lengthening, keep lifting. Feel the strength in your upper body. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to plank. Take your knees down. Back you go into your child's pose position. Awesome job. One more round on this side. We're gonna go ahead and find our push-up position. So you wanna take the palms wider than your mat. You can stay on your knees nice and wide, crossing the ankles at the top. Now I want you to invert your fingertips just a little bit so the elbows are pointing down towards the corners of the room. We drop down, 2, and up. So you have the option to take it all the way down to the mat. You can take it halfway. You can come up onto your toes. Choose your option, keep going. Take it down, 2, and up. This is the one that I can't totally do, but I want to so badly. Go down, 2, and up. I'm gonna find a version that works for me. 8 singles right here. We take it down. Inhale to lower, exhale to push up. Breathe. 4 more. 4, breathe. 3, 2, can you hold and hover halfway? Right here, hold 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, push all the way up. Back you go into your child's pose. Take the knees nice and wide. Drop your belly muscles in between the thighs. Connect the thumbs and pull them up towards the center of your mat. Reach both hands to one side. Keep breathing. Breathe deep into that upper body. Whew. And then the other. All right. So I'm just gonna switch to the other side of my mat, because guess what? We're doing it all again. I was serious about that no equipment upper body workout. Your body is all you need. All you need is you for a great, awesome bar burn. Let's find our all fours, working through our chin to the chest, round out through the spine. Take your gaze for the ceiling, arching through the back. One more time. Back to center. Soften through the elbows. Here we go. Down, squeeze, press open through the shoulder blades. Down, squeeze, press open. So from back, it should look like this, yeah? Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze the shoulder blades, open up through the back. Down and up, down and up. So again, moving into single counts, only if it feels good in your body. Down and up, good. Down and up, 2 more. Last one, good, 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 good. Back you go, nice little breath. So I give you this little child's pose to give you a chance to reset your body, reset your mind. Coming back to center, bear plank, bear plank. So palms underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips, tuck your toes underneath you, hovering off the ground. So you wanna make sure that back is nice and flat. You have the option to tap hand to elbow or hand to shoulder here without moving the hips. You have 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Knees come down. Push back into that child's pose. Toes together, knees nice and wide. Whew, I'm sweating. It's a short workout, and I'm sweating. Coming into that plank position this time, take your feet back behind you. Again, this can be done on the knees. Modify as you need to. Tuck your toes underneath you. We're gonna push back. Did we push through? Yeah, I think we did. No, we didn't. Oh my gosh, it's so hard I'm forgetting. From here, lift for 2 and lower, good. Lift for 2 and lower. Awesome job. You always have the option to take that down to the knee. So pick what feels good in your body. Make sure your upper body feels challenged. One more right here. Lift for 2, 8 singles. We go. Up, down, lift. Lengthening through your back body, pushing through those arms for 4. For 3. For 2, hold that leg up nice and high. Reach through the toes, lengthen through the top of the foot. Little pulse, little lift. Woo! Those arms are on fire. Just 8 more right here. You have 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to center, drop the knees. Back you go into that child's pose. Connect the thumbs, reach the fingertips away from you. Breathe it out. All you gotta do is push-ups and then a little stretch. Are you with me? Oh, do I feel this? All right, choose your option for your push-ups. Remember to think about a nice, strong center. Lead with the chest, not with the chin. Inhale to lower, exhale to lift. 4 slow, let's go. It's down, 2, and up. Good, good, good. Down, 2, and up. Keep going, down, 2, and up. So don't stick your chin out. Keep the back of the neck nice and long. Singles if you want it. It's 8 and up. 7, 6, 5. Nice work. You have 4 until we hover. Hover and hold. My favorite part. I'm gonna do it. Here we go. Hold for 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. Push all the way up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Take those knees nice and wide. Drop your belly muscles in front of you. Connect the thumbs. Reach the arms away from you. Nice deep focused breath right into your sits bones. Then reach both hands to one side of your mat. So if you're reaching to your right, your left sits bones is gonna push down into the heels. Get a good side stretch. Right up through the back, through the arms. Keep reaching those fingertips away from you. And then switch to the opposite side. Find yourself back at center, rotate the palms to face each other, and then draw the thumbs just to the nape of the neck. Walk your elbows out, get a good stretch through the back line of those arms. Find your breath. Who knew no equipment could be so tough on that upper body? Roll up through center. Just about done here. Go ahead and interlace your fingers. Draw your forearms together, and let's just work through those wrists. So figure 8 through those wrists. Nice deep focused breath here. Releasing and relaxing through those forearms. Big inhale, interlace the fingers, push the palms to the sky, open up through the chest. One side bend, and then the other. Shake it all out. Good stuff, everybody.
Hey Barre babes, it's Ella here. I hope that you enjoyed that workout. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below. I love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell for notifications on our next barre workout. See you soon.